Hello parents and guardians of 9H. My name's Tim Budenberg and I'm your child's maths teacher this year. As we're trying something slightly different in second semester, called Flipping the Classroom, I thought I'd show you briefly what the technology side of this looks like. What you're looking at currently is a website linked to the school's database, Simon, which the students will all access with their individual logons. Now, as the students are all pretty good with technology, I don't expect them to have much problem with this. On this website are several features. On the left here will be videos. There are just 2 at the moment, but I'll add many more. On the right is a news feed where I can write instructions and the students can ask questions. And down the bottom here are resources the students can download. For those of you with less than spectacular internet, I can easily send the videos home on USB sticks with your children. Now, what I expect to happen before each class is for students to watch one of these brief instructional videos. They only go for about 10 minutes, but it will take your child longer than this to watch them, simply because I expect the students to be pausing the videos regularly and taking notes in their notebooks just like they would in class. At the end of each of these videos, I ask the students to complete a brief question, and the question is similar to an example I explained during the video. The students will then complete this question on their OneNote, which looks like this. Each of their OneNotes is linked to mine. So I can go into any student's OneNote and look at the maths that they have done the night before. The great thing about this is 2 things. Firstly, it checks whether they've actually done their homework or not. And secondly, it checks for understanding. So as I'm going through, if several students have got this wrong, I can go through and re-explain the concept in class before we go into more complicated puzzles. Hopefully that gives you a brief idea of how this will work throughout the semester. There may be some changes, we may adjust it depending on how the students go, but that's the plan as it is. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions.